this up. We've got a vintage Downey-Goodlein elevator here. Let's look at the back of the door. You can see we're in downtown Batavia. And here it is. It's a pretty small elevator. We'll go down first, if it's not locked. Down is locked. We'll go up. See if we can hear the motor. You see this elevator is sponsored apparently by Otis Series 2. It's a basic cab, but it's a very nice elevator. Take one more ride. It's only 2 floors. We'll end back on 1. I love these fixtures. Look how far out the emergency buttons stick. It does have the bumper on the end. We'll demonstrate that. And there it goes. And that'll be it.